Six Sigma has saved organizations billions by cutting waste and boosting efficiency. In today's video, we'll explore case studies showing its impact on cost savings. Six Sigma is a methodology focused on improving processes by reducing variation and eliminating defects. Using the DMAIC framework, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control, companies can cut costs, improve quality, and boost profits. General Electric saved over $12 billion in 5 years by applying Six Sigma, improving manufacturing speed and reducing defects to boost profitability. In healthcare, Six Sigma reduces errors, improves patient flow, and cuts costs. For instance, one hospital cut ER wait times by 40% and saved millions through better staffing and resource use. Motorola, the Six Sigma pioneer, saved $16 billion, 1986 to 2001, by cutting defects, lowering costs, and boosting customer satisfaction. Six Sigma isn't just for big firms. A small manufacturer cut scrap by 20%, saving $250,000 a year, proving any business can benefit. Whether in healthcare, manufacturing, or services, Six Sigma projects consistently deliver financial benefits. Six Sigma boosts both company savings and careers. Certification lets you join high-impact projects and stand out in a competitive job market.